If you've forgotten your password for FirstSource Bank, resetting it is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the FirstSource Bank website. Go to the official FirstSource Bank website using your web browser. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. In the login area, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will redirect you to the password recovery page. Step 3. Enter your information. On the password recovery page, enter the required information, such as your username or account number, and any other requested details to verify your identity. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their account. Use SRIP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the reset link or enter the code, create a new password. Make sure it meets the security requirements and is something you can remember. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your FirstSource Bank account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.